Hello everyone and welcome to Golden Key Education Accelerated Biology video series. In today's video we're going to look at an exam question relating to genetics and heredity. The question reads, 33 major blood group systems including the ABO, RH and MNS were recognized by the International Society of Blood Transfusion in 2012. The chromosome location of these blood group systems, including their genes, as well as genotypes and phenotypes, are listed in the table below. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the tabulated information. An individual with a genotype of the following would have which of the following phenotypes? So what we need to do for that question is to take the genotypes and essentially break that genotype into its three separate components, one representing each of the three blood groups given. And so with the first component, we need to identify the interaction between the dominant and the recessive allele. And we can see that we have a dominant allele present alongside the recessive. And similarly, in the second component, belonging to the second blood group system, the rhesus group, we again have the capital R dominating over the recessive allele. In the third group, the MNN blood system, we have shared dominance. And so clearly from the first segment, we're going to have phenotype A. From the second segment, due to the presence of the dominant group dominating over the recessive, we're going to be phenotype positive. In the third group, we have a tie between the M and the N. So it's going to be type A, rhesus positive, type MN. It's a simple case of navigating over the tabulated information in accordance with the genotype given in order to troubleshoot this question. Further on, with respect to the three genes given in the table above, how many genotypes are possible? So for this question, whenever they ask how many types are possible, you need to run over the different combinations that are possible. So when we look at the three different types of alleles, we ask ourselves how many different combinations can we form with these three? And the answer is 6. You can have IA capital twice, IB capital twice, little I twice, A and B capital, A and I capital, and I capital and I lowercase. Similarly, in the rhesus blood system, there are essentially three combinations: double capital R, double lowercase r, a capital and a lowercase. And then the same situation with the M and MN blood group system. You have three separate combinations. So those are shown below. 6 for the ABO system, 3 for rhesus, 3 for MN. You multiply across those three, you end up with 54 unique variations. Finally, 2 individuals have genotype of the following. The chance of them conceiving a child that is A negative. So in this question, we need to look at permutations, where the order does matter. One way to look at this is to realize that this particular genotype, where you have capital IA, capital IB, and capital R, lowercase r, that the presence of the AB tells you that the parents are of the AB group. And the combination of the capital R and lowercase r in the rhesus blood system tells you that the parents are also heterozygous. So parents that are heterozygous producing a child that is negative, phenotype is negative under the rhesus system, what is the probability of that? Well, in terms of permutations where order matters, you can have double R uppercase, double R lowercase, upper lower, lower upper. There's 4 possible permutations, of which you only want the negative. So that's 1 out of 4. And then of parents that are of the AB type, what is the probability of producing a child that is A? Well, if you go to the AB type, you can have double uppercase A, double uppercase B, AB, BA. Again, 4 possible permutations, of which there is one that is A. So again, 1 out of 4. And so if you multiply those two probabilities, the probability of A for parents who are AB, the probability of negative for parents who are heterozygous, you get 1/4 times 1/4, giving you 1 in 16. And so those are shown as follows: the 4 permutations belonging to parents of type AB, the 4 permutations belonging to parents who are heterozygous, giving you an overall result of 1 in 16 probability of producing a child who is a